All right, so let's move on to the probably the last demonstration for this year and 2016, and I'd like to just close the 2016 show with the DX Dangerous Zombie Gashat and Bugster Backle. All right, yep. And so this has been the very popular items, and actually at this moment we already sold over 40 of this set. Okay, I mean the Dangerous Zombie Gashats and Bugster Backles. Okay, we activated in the last Sunday. I mean, sorry, not Sunday, but yesterday. Okay, yesterday, but it's been very popular, and so we are extremely happy about that. Okay, so but the since that it was a 29th. Okay, oh that was a day before yesterday. Sorry, I thought I said yesterday, but the day before yesterday we activated this item. Okay. And so, but I really haven't had a chance to touch it. So we already shipped out. No, actually, not yet. But we are planning to ship out all of these items from the January 5th. So please, wait for that. Those of you who made a purchase of these items, please wait for the January 5th that we come back to the office and start the packing procedures and packing procedures, everything, operations. Okay, so let's take a look at the items. All right, so here I brought that my bug visor. Okay, so we're gonna use this one. So but let's take a look at the box first. Okay, so Dangerous Zombie Gashat and Bugster Backle. It looks like it's a big box, but when you look behind it, and it's a kind of small box. Okay, so it doesn't make sense because the only set comes with the Backle set and Dangerous Zombie Gashat, the only two. Okay, so it doesn't have to be too big, but this item is only works with the people who already purchased the bug visor. Okay, so when you remember that the bug visor, when you take it off, these handles, remember that these two connectors, this is where that the backles attached. Okay, so you will need this one. Okay, if you don't have this one, don't worry, there's another set that we have, Bagul driver. Okay, DX Bagul driver set, and which comes with the all the bug visor, backle sets, and the zombie gashats. Okay, so that's include everything, and we already we're already selling it from our stores, so you still can get hands on it. All right, but for the bug visor itself, we already run out of that, and so we are not able to obtain this one anymore, but only for the Bagul driver set. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, Gashat bug visor is here. I explain it. Okay, and zombie Gashat, dangerous zombie Gashat is here. So we're gonna test that on the gamer driver too. Okay. All right. So let's. See. The set is very simple. Zombie Gashats. And the belts. And the buckle. Okay. No batteries required for these items. Okay, but except this one. Well, it does comes with the battery, so still no battery requires for this set. Okay, so let's take a look at that, the details. Okay, Yeah, dangerous zombie. All right. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, so to make the belts, my first question is that I hope that this belt has a kind of suitable with the the extension belt, but with the size I have a doubt. Okay, let me go and get my the extension belt. Okay, so this is a brand new extension belt. Okay, so gives you the extra of the 15 centimeters long, about this size. Okay, but not sure. I don't think that this will fit with this size. Okay, let's see. Let me see. See, this is the hole over here. And this is the size of that. Maybe. Okay, just a little bit maybe. Okay, it's not exact the same size. Okay, I don't believe that, and this will fit perfectly with this DX extension belt. Okay. See that? Okay, so but if you have the DX extension belt, yes, might be successful if you have the this set, and then maybe you need a taping or something. I don't think that this extension belt will fit in perfectly with this one. Okay. All right. これはエクステンションベルト合わないね。これは合わんわ。Okay, so start with the left. Okay, here's it says R, and the light is here. Start with here. Oh no, not this one. Here. Okay, and then let's go there. Okay, and attach it, and the holder goes in there. Okay. All right, so obviously this does not fit for my my waist. So hope you understand it. And like I said, the extension belts give you the extra length if you can, only if you can attach it somehow with the belts, give you this size. Okay, give you the extra, the 15 centimeters long extensions to your waist. Okay, but without it, this much. That's very tiny. Well, I mean children's size, of course. Okay, so but the once again, the DX extension belt does not fit with this. It's not a perfect solution. But however, I can see you might be able to, if you use some kind of the taping or something. But I don't want you to damage your extension belts. So I highly recommend you to obtain some kind of Velcro extensions or some kind of, you need to figure out ways to extend it. Okay. This size here seems okay, but still there's some, space. But still can, attach it. But the other side, the male side here, it's does not fit in because the extension belt here, the male part does not fit at all. Okay, and then you don't want to damage that, your extension belts, so doesn't fit. Okay. All right, so I hope you understand it, and then let me just continue. All right, so just okay. I believe this is the like this. All right, Bugster buckle complete. And let's see how that zombie Gashat sounds like. All right, dangerous zombie. Here we go. Okay. Okay, and so that's how it works. And now let's go for the zombie gamer level X. Okay, so all right, and I have the bug visor here, and let's turn on. Okay. All right, so I will just attach that. Nope, wait. Okay, Bagel app. All right. So, comment like the game Zombie Gamer level X. So let me just do it again, and to get that the video out, let me just eject button. Okay. And to get that all that body out, you need to press the both of the buttons over here. Okay. Gashat. And one more time. Okay, so Bagel app, it says danger, danger, genocide, death, the crisis, dangerous zombie. Wow, wow. Okay. All right, that's how it sounds. All right. Okay, and let's try that hissed attack, and A and B, right? Press that at the same time. Okay. And A. Okay, that was the critical end. Looks like two hissed attack sounds here. All right, so one more time, and the next one is the second hissed attack one. Okay, and this time B buttons. All right, there you go. Interesting. Okay, so let me just give you the close-up of the panels for the hissed attack. And first of all, A. And same thing, B button. Okay, so to show you the more display, how the display works, so let me just get that zombie Gashat again, and do it again one more time, the Henshin stuff. Okay, there we go. Oh wow. Okay. Nice display though. There are two colors. Okay, now they use that the zombie Gashat with the gamer driver. Okay. So let me just change that. All right. Let's use this. All right. So. All right, here we go, level 2. Okay, sounds fun. Right? So, and now let's use that hissed attack then. Okay, so with the holster. All right. One more time. All right. That's how it works. All right, and now the level 3 level up. Okay. I will use that. Where'd it go? All right, so first, my DX. Level 1, level 2. All right, so we close it, and we use that as zombie Gashats. Here we go, level 3. Nice. All right, so let's take a look at the display one more time. Closer look. Here we go. All right. Okay. So, dangerous zombie Gashat. Oops, sorry. And Gashat bug visor to got tie. Okay, so and one more time. Okay. All right, so this is the demonstration of the DX Dangerous Zombie Gashat and Bugster Backle. The item is already in our stores, and then well, we are very happy that most of our orders, our stocks are all gone, almost gone, and so we only have the few of them left. And let me say that thank you for our customers for being patient, because due to our holiday break right now, we don't do that shipping operation until June 4th. Starting from the June 5th, we'll be start sending these the latest items, DX Dangerous Zombie Gashat, Bugster Backles, and then other related items from the January 5th. Okay, so please be patient for us, and then well, Happy New Year's to everyone. Okay. All right, and also one more thing is that let me just again introduce that maybe Dangerous Zombie Gashat Buggle Visor Buggle set might be out of the stock, but we still have the Buggle Driver, the complete set. Okay, there's a DX Buggle Driver complete set that comes with the Bug Visor and then a Buckle set, and of course with the Dangerous Zombie Gashats. So these are still, we have plenty of them in stock, so make sure that you get it, because of the Bug Visor is already run out. I don't think we would be able to obtain that Bug Visor itself. So hope that you can obtain this one. Okay. All right. So thank you very much, everyone, being in the chat rooms, and then we are to this is the last recording. Last demonstration for this year. Hope that you enjoyed it. And certainly we wish you the very best for the 2017, which here in Japan will start in about the 7 hours. Okay, about. So good luck to everyone. Okay, so thank you for using our services, CSTOYS International Services 2016, and I hope you enjoyed it. And then I will continue to bring our great toys to the 2017, especially cute engine is coming up, and I'm very excited. Okay, so thank you guys, and we have the lucky draw for the next one, and so very the last golden. So don't go away. I'll be back for that. Thank you.